Hey guys, we got a new video for you today. Today is actually, we got some dead batteries coming up on our keyless entry door here. It's a Kwikset. Of course, we use codes to get in, and yeah, we've got batteries going dead here. So I'm gonna show you how to quickly change these batteries out of here, rather than making a hassle and coming home one day and it not working. So we're gonna go ahead and just put your thumb up here and go ahead and slide up. It's going to pop this little piece right off, and then of course there are some directions on the back of this, but then you come in and see this little nook right here. Of course it is telling you that when you put it back in, it should be facing the door this way. We're going to grab that and we're going to pull that on out. Of course we got some cheapo little batteries here. We'll go ahead and just pop those out, throw those on the ground. Go ahead and put our new ones in there. And it was flashing red on us, so we knew it was going to go dead here shortly. Now we got a good new set. Again, we're going to face that towards the door on the outside. Go ahead and just drop it on down in there, wiggle it, boom. You can tell it accepted the new one. Sorry for the dog barking. She goes crazy every time the keypad goes off. So yeah, but yeah, you can see it flashing green again now, and looks like we are good to go for a new life cycle of the batteries. Like I said, this is going to start flashing orange or red for you guys, depending on the battery expectancy. But yeah, there it goes. That's a Kwikset keyless entry door, changing the batteries. Thanks guys.